Hi dear students, welcome to our next class. In this class you are going to learn about the sun, earth and the universe. You can see in this picture a huge fireball is there in center. It's known as, you all are very well known about this. It's the sun, which gives us light and very important for our life. So around this sun, the planets are revolving, moving around the sun. So in the picture, you can see there are different planets. Here you can see the big fireball known as sun. And next around the sun, in an orbit, in a circle, the planets are revolving. What are revolving around the sun? The planets are revolving around the sun. So a big ball of fire known as sun. Around the sun the planets are revolving. So in the first planet is very close to the sun. So in detail, in today's class, you are going to learn about the distance of these planets from the sun. Which planet is very close to the sun, which planet is very far away, and what is the distance between these planets from the sun, that you are going to learn in today's class. So these all are planets where I am showing this the first planet and this one is the second planet. You can see in the picture this is the third planet and here the fourth planet, fifth planet, sixth planet, seventh planet and here is the eighth planet. So 8 planets are revolving round the sun. So the sun and the planets which are revolving around it called as solar system. So in today's class, especially you are learning about the distance. How much distance is there between 8th planet to the sun, first planet to the sun, fourth planet to the sun. Like that, you're going to identify the distance between the sun and the planets. Then, is it possible to measure with a measuring tape? We could not. So, to understand this, we'll do one small activity. For doing this, you need some bundle of sticks. So, here I'll show you how to arrange these sticks. Okay. So, here for understanding this, you need some sticks. These are the sticks. So, here one stick, wherever one stick is there, in front of which planet one stick is there, that means it is very close to the sun. And the next planet which have 2 sticks will come to the second position. And which planet have 3 sticks, that comes in the third place. And this bundle shows 5 sticks and the another bundle is 25 sticks. So now you can see in this picture which planet have more number of sticks. The first planet is Neptune. The first planet is Neptune. So Neptune have how many sticks? The bundle you see. Beside I had given the explanation. If only one stick is there, it can be seen very clearly with one stick. When there are 5 sticks, the bunch is a little thinner. When there are 25 sticks, the bunch is thicker. So here in front of Neptune, how many sticks are given? We'll find out now. So the bunch is very thick. That means it has 25 sticks in the first bunch, and the next bunch is also having 25 sticks, and like this 3 bunches are there. So 25 threes are how many? 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 25, 75 sticks are there in front of Neptune. So is it very close to the sun? No, it is so far from the sun because this planet is having more number of sticks, right? And the next planet you see, it has 2 bunches are very thick. First bunch 25 and the next bunch is also having 25. So the total number of sticks are 50. First we will identify the number of sticks, how many are there in front of each planet. Okay? So the Mercury has only 1 stick and the Mars has 5 sticks and Venus have 2 sticks. The Saturn is having 25 sticks and the Earth have 3 sticks and the last planet like this. First you identify the number of sticks in front of each planet. Now, based on the number of sticks, you identify which planet is very close to the sun. I already told you the planet which planet have less number of sticks, that is very close to the sun, and which the planet which have more number of sticks, that is very far away from the sun. So according to this list, you can identify now which planet is very close to the sun. That is none other than Mercury. Mercury has only 1 stick, so that's why it is very close to the sun. And the next one is Venus. Why? Because it has 2 sticks. So next position is to Venus. And the next position is Earth, where we are living. So greenery and water source is available. So our Earth is taking 3rd position. And the next one is here. I will just scroll the picture. After Earth, and then Jupiter is also having 2 sticks, so it is taking next place. And then which is having this, Jupiter is having not 2 sticks. First bunch have 5, 5 plus 5, 5 threes are 15, 16, 17 sticks Jupiter is having. So it's taking the 4th place. No, Mars is taking it. It is having only 5 sticks. So like this, which planet will come first? And the next one, like this, you give some order in your classwork. So up to 4 planets I told you, and then depending on the number of sticks, you write the order which planet after which planet comes. Understood, children? So you will enjoy this activity when you start doing it. So come on, do it. I'll wait for you for 2 minutes. Just see the number of sticks and quickly write down the numbering for the planets. Okay? Fine. Now we will discuss the activity. What order you had given to the planets, and is it same for you and for your friend? We'll see now. So depending on the activity, what order you have given to the planets, we are going to discuss now. So before going to discuss your activity and before going to give the ordering or numbering to the planets, you just watch this video to understand more about the planets and their distance from the sun.
Our solar system has the sun and 8 planets. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is nearest to the Sun and Neptune the farthest. Mercury is also the smallest planet and Jupiter the largest. Venus is the hottest planet and Uranus the coldest.
So in this video, you can see children how the planets are revolving around the sun and how in each planet what is the speciality. As you can see here, the Venus is very hottest planet and the Uranus is very cold planet and Saturn have rings around it, and the our earth, planet earth, you can see in green color, and Mercury is very small in size and very close to the sun, and Neptune is far away from the sun, and Uranus is Jupiter is very big planet. Like this, each planet has some special identifications, right? And now we will see in which order you arranged all these planets. And before going to see your activities and before going to discuss our activity, one more time we will see the video and clearly shown how these planets are revolving around the sun. Yes? See
Our
how they
solar
are
system
revolving, the movement you can see here, and about each planet when the voice is coming, it's also bulged out. That means that can be pop it out. You can see the popping of that particular planet.
has the Sun and 8 planets. These are Mercury,
So you can
Venus,
see the Mercury is highlighted,
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is nearest to the Sun and Neptune the farthest. Mercury is also the smallest planet and Jupiter the largest. Venus is the hottest planet and Uranus the coldest.
Understood, children? And to remember this, all the planets in order, correct order, you can keep a sentence in your mind. That sentence will give you a hint to remember all the planets in according to their order. So that sentence is, my very elegant mother just served as naan. My very elegant mother. I'll write the sentence here, children. My very just a second. My very elegant mother. My very elegant mother just served as naan. My very elegant mother just served as naan. One sentence. My very elegant mother just served as naan. Now, in this sentence, every word, first letter you take, children. For example, in my, word my, the first letter is M. So M means Mercury. So the first planet is Mercury. Okay? And the next word is very. In very, what is the first letter? V is the first letter. So V means which planet starts with V? That is Venus. So Venus is in second position. Okay. And the third planet, elegant. Third word is elegant. In elegant, the first letter is E. And which planet starts with E? That is our planet Earth. So you write here as E. And the next one, mother. In mother, the first letter is M. So M, which planet starts with M? Already Mercury over the first planet. So here, this is Mars. So Mars is the fourth planet. And just, the word just, J is the first letter. So the planet starts with J is Jupiter. So Jupiter is taking fifth position. And served, in word served, S is the first letter. So which planet name starts with S? That is Saturn. So Saturn taking sixth position. And as, in US as, U is the first letter. So the which planet name starts with U? That is Uranus. So it's taking seventh place. Nan, N-A, Nan, first letter is N. So that is starting with which planet starts with N? That you know very well, that is Neptune. So that is 8. So you got all the planet names in order, according to their order from the sun. Very interesting, right? And it's a very beautiful and very easy clue for you to remember all the planet names in correct order. So what is that sentence? That is, my very elegant mother just served as naan. Understood? Okay, fine. Hope you like this and you can remember this for remembering planets. Now we will discuss your activity. Once we will discuss your activity, how did you arrange the planets? So the trick which I showed you will help you to arrange the planets definitely. And what are the positions of the planets from the sun? That also you can give by using the sentence, my very elegant mother just served us naan. Yes? And this is the order where you can see the order of the planets can be given in this picture. As we discussed just now, the first one is the sun, and the second one is Mercury, third one is Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the Neptune. And this way only, by the trick or the help box which I gave you, will help you to understand this. Which planet take the maximum time to go around the sun? Obviously it is Neptune, because it is so far away from the sun. Yes? And now we will see the questions which are given in your worksheet. So here he is asking you, which of these is a feature of a planet? So when you can say it is a planet, what feature the planet should have? Move around the sun, or move around the moon, or has its own light? When it has its own light, can you say it's a planet? No, you could not say. And when they move around the moon, it's not. Obviously, the planets are not moving around the moon, they are moving around the sun. So the correct answer is first one, a bit. And the next one, you see the picture as we discussed just now. You write all these planets' names according to your activity and what you have done, how you arranged the planets, and also use the trick which I gave you. My very elegant mother just served as none. By using that, you fill up the planets' names in given boxes. I'll do one for you. Uh, so the first one is very close to the sun, that is Mercury. So here you write Mercury name, and the next one is Venus, and third one is Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, so you can write this answer and by enjoying, by revising the sentence which we discussed just before. And the last question is, look at the picture in question 2. Which planet takes the least amount of time to go around the sun and why? You know very well, the Mercury takes very less time. Why? Because the Mercury can take very less time. Why? Because it is very close to the sun. So Mercury is the correct answer. The reason is it is very close to the sun. Yes, here I just gave you hint, children. You nicely write this answer with your own words. So complete this practice questions and also from page number 17 your worksheet questions complete and get ready for tomorrow's class. Thank you.